soft milk bread. For my first bread, I want to make the soft milk bread loaf. So I got this one. Oh, I can see myself. Hi. This is a 450-gram loaf, loaf mold. So we're gonna make a super soft milk bread. Let's measure the ingredient. So these are all the ingredients that I got: sea salt, whipped cream. This is a bread. It's a bread flour. It's mainly for bread. Milk, sugar, yeast, egg, and also the butter. I got the President butter unsalted. Let's get started. I had done measuring the bread flour. Let's put this back to the stand mixer and ready to mix them together. Let's put it in low. I put it on 3. Then after they well mixed, then I will turn it to higher. And let's measure the butter and the salt. I just realized I forgot my egg. Oh, where's my egg? Oh, I forgot my egg. Let's put it in. Alright, let's measure the salt and butter. Butter, 20 grams. Now is 3 grams of salt. I heard that people say to check if it's ready or not is to like pull up pieces. It's not ready at all. Should I add more bread flour? I feel like it needs more bread flour, right? Let me add a little bit more. Okay, I'm adding extra 30 grams. Okay, let's pull one pieces. Okay, I think I saw this on video. I think this is the right texture. Okay, let's add in the butter. The butter and salt. Put it back down on a low speed. Now just wait for the butter to be fully melted into the bread, into the dough. Then we can turn it to a higher speed to continue mixing it. Okay, now I cannot see the butter at all. So let's turn the speed up to 5. Okay. I think this part has to be like 6 to 7 minutes. Let's wait. Let's take a look and check the dough. I think like it has to be like really thin. Maybe not yet. A little bit longer. It smells really nice already. Is it? Is this good enough? It's good enough, right? Okay, I will let it sit in this stand mixer. Then I will put it inside the ovens for the bread proof. It is now 4:24. Bread proofing. Start. I also put hot water, boiled water right next to it. It is now 5:15. Let's take a look. Oh, I think it got a lot bigger. Okay, I think it's ready. This is so fun. Okay, so let all the ear came out. Okay, let me divide it into 3. About it. Okay, let's roll one at a time. Roller. There's so many ear inside. Wow. And then tap to get rid of the ear on the side. I learned it by watching other people's video. I watch so many videos, so just pat the bubble out, flip it over, and then just simply roll it and let it sit for I think like 15 minutes before we really start to shape it. Alright, I roll all 3 of them. Press it a little bit. This one is the most ugly one because it's my first time. This one looks the best. And then this one is also so-so. Anyway, let's proof it again. I think my bread is done proofing. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh my god, they look so great. I think this is like 80%. Now let's brush the egg on top of the bread. Just brush on top of the egg. I think that people say it's gonna make the bread shine. Really looking forward to my bread. I have already brushed it. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna cover it. And also now I'm preheating the oven. I just put a paper on the top just in case the color like overburn the top. Oh my god. It ding. Ooh. Did it burn? So beautiful!
Wow, cam phái. Wow.
Giáp báo ơi, giáp báo ơi. Báo này mình làm cua cái bọc.
Wow. Trời ơi.
Wow. Giáp báo. Wow. Bọc cái canh sẵn giáp kín.
Wow. I think I got it. It looks so successful. Yay! It's so soft. It's so soft.